Here's how to post on LinkedIn using a computer. First, you need to open the LinkedIn on your browser, that is linkedin.com, or you can also use the LinkedIn application if you've installed on your device. If you open a browser, log into your LinkedIn account and start a new post. On the LinkedIn homepage, find the Start a Post section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, this will open a new menu where you can go ahead and enter or write anything that you want to talk about and share it on LinkedIn. You can also use the new feature that is Rewrite with AI. You can add emojis, reactions, GIFs, or whatever you want. There is also the Add Media option where you can go ahead, tap on it, and select any media that you want to use. And once you're done, tap on Post. But before that, you can also schedule this post by tapping on this icon over here, and then tap on Post, which is highlighted in blue color. If you're writing a long post which you want in a structure, make it catchy. The first 2 lines are the key. And share your thoughts, a lesson you learned, an update, or an insight. Press enter after each line to add white space, and this helps more people see your post. And always use clean, professional-looking images, and videos get the most attention, so you can also use that. And use PDFs to create carousel-style posts. And polls are great for getting people involved. You can also try adding hashtags, example LinkedIn or career growth, and other hashtags like learning, students, and all. Don't add too many hashtags, and set the post visibility. Then publish your post by tapping on this post button, which is highlighted in blue color, and engage after posting, this step is very, very important. Reply to the comments within the first 30 or 60 minutes, like comments, and respond in a genuine way. Engagement helps your post reach more people. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.